Hello everyone, my respected viewers and friends, you all are welcome again to my channel. Today we will discuss this problem. In this problem, this ABCD is inscribed in this quadrant where O is the center of the quadrant. Given that AB side length is root 10 centimeter and we have to find the shaded portions area, that is this area, this and this pink shaded area. It is a 9th grade problem which is not very simple and not tough. It's a moderate question. To get this shaded portions area, we subtract this squares area from the area of the quadrant, and we are given the side of the square root 10 centimeter and area of the square is side square. So area of the square is root 10 square, which is 10. So shaded area is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. So that is equal to 1/4 pi r square minus side of this square is root 10, so root 10 square, and that is what, pi r square by 4 minus 10. Now we have to find the radius of this quadrant. To get that, let us suppose AO is x. Since AO and BO are given equal, this is x. So by Pythagorean theorem, x square plus x square is root 10 square. So that is 2x square is 10. 2x square is equal to 10 gives x square is equal to 5. This relation, we need area of shaded portion is 1 and this we found 2. Now we need some construction, join BD and join OD. BD is the diagonal of the square ABCD. So this angle is equal to 45 because diagonal bisects the angle in case of square, and since AO OB are equal, so these two angles are equal, and this is 90, so this will also be 45. It means angle DBO is 45 plus 45, which is 90 degree. We can say that triangle OBD is a right angle triangle in which we can use Pythagorean theorem. As we are given the sides of the square root 10, we can find this BD. Side root 2 is equal to, so if BD is y, then y square is equal to root 10 square plus root 10 square, which is 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. So y square is 20. Now in triangle ODB, using again Pythagorean theorem, so OD, which is radius from the center to the circumference, this is the radius of the quadrant. So OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. So OD square, which is radius square is OB square, that is x square plus y square. If we substitute x square as 5 and y square as 20, then r square we are getting 5 plus 20, and then we found r square as 25. Substituting this r square as 25 in this equation to get the shaded area, so we will have pi r square by 4 minus 10. Pi value is given as 3.14. R square is 25 by 4 minus 10. So that is equal to, if we divide it by 4, 3.14 divided by 4. So that is equal to 0.785 into 25 minus 10, that is equal to 19.625 with the help of calculator, minus 10, and that is equal to, finally, approximately we can say that 19 minus 10 is 9.63. That is 9.63 centimeters square approx, and that is the answer.